So everywhere you look, people are talking about buying coffee with crypto. But honestly, that's missing the forest for the trees. The real story with stablecoins isn't about replacing your credit card at the checkout counter. It's way bigger. The problem? A massive yield gap is quietly triggering a trillion-dollar bank run that nobody's talking about. While your bank pays you 0.6% on savings, DeFi protocols offer 5%, 8%, even 10% on stablecoins like USDC. That gap is pulling capital out of traditional banks at an insane pace. And here's why that matters. Banks rely on your deposits to create loans through fractional reserve banking. Basically, they lend out most of your cash to multiply its impact across the economy. But when you move $1,000 into a stablecoin, that money gets parked in safe assets like treasury bills. It doesn't get multiplied. Researchers estimate a $2 trillion shift could wipe out $1.5 trillion in lending capacity. That's systemic, and it's why regulators panicked with moves like the Genius Act banning yield. It's a circuit breaker for the old system. Now, here's the solution and why I'm pumped. That fleeing capital isn't vanishing. It's funding a brand new financial operating system built on stablecoins. The game changer? Programmability. Stablecoins aren't just digital dollars, they're smart money. You can embed logic like, if this happens, then pay that, which is awesome. Let me show you why this matters. I've been digging into B2B use cases, and it's mind-blowing. An automated escrow, payments release only when a freelancer hits milestones. 24/7 treasury management, excess cash auto sweeps into yield farms overnight. Supply chains, payments trigger instantly when goods arrive, verified by sensors. This isn't theory, it's live, saving businesses 70+% on cross-border costs and unlocking micropayments for content creators. So forget retail. The real opportunity, invest in the picks and shovels, the interoperability protocols, enterprise-grade ramps, and smart contract platforms enabling this shift. Check out my full article where I break down my top infrastructure plays. Overall, it's a game changer.